Alright, here we go. As you guys requested, I hand-hammered a Sabian B8 ride cymbal. I ran to eBay in search of the cheapest option I could find, and to my surprise, found a great-looking ride for a crazy low price. And shockingly, in the middle of a hurricane, it showed up on my doorstep.
There it is. Oh yeah.
The ride was actually in great condition, with minor tarnishing and no cracks or keyholing to speak of, and is quite beefy, weighing 2,408 grams at 20 inches wide. With all that considered, let's see how this bad boy sounds. I was kind of surprised that the price was as low as it was, because it does claim to be a vintage cymbal. Now, I don't know if that's true vintage or if that just means like 1990s. By that standard, I'm vintage. I'm hoping it's not an absolute sin to hand hammer something like this. Let's hope that we don't destroy this. I wanted to avoid scratching the cymbal so badly on the bottom, so I grabbed the most filthy microfiber cloth I could find, locked it into my anvil, and went to town. Now this time around, I went a little bit lighter with the hammer. Though I liked the results I got in the first videos, I didn't want to go as trashy with this one, as we're already starting with a cymbal that has overall good tone. Just like with the inexpensive Chinese cymbals, too much topside hammering led to excessive tension, which I released simply by hammering the bottom side in that same problem area. Now that this old Sabian has more craters than the surface of the moon, it's time for some testing. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, so these results are very interesting to me. The fully hammered cymbal is by far the most dry, and has the least aggressive overtones. Though I did like the overall sound of the cymbal before hammering, some of those high frequencies were very aggressive. Here we go again. And had a sustain of almost 30 seconds or longer. My ultimate goal was to create something a little more mellow and dark with better stick articulation, and I'd say we definitely got that. Because the final sound will ultimately be up to your personal preference, you decide how much hammering is enough for your liking. If you're excited to see more of my adventures in sound design, gardening, and drum mods, feel free to show your support over on my Patreon, and thanks for watching.